Hello, no ni home wine but welcome to our Igbo lesson today. So today we will consider past tense marker in Igbo language. Past tense marker, that you know how we have present tense, past participle, future tense and all that. So today in Igbo language we're learning past tense marker. After today's class, I'm sure you even and no Igbo learner, be you a beginner, you are in intermediate level or advanced, you'll find it difficult to say the past tense of any verb you know. Okay, so let me adjust my glasses. There is something that is always stagnant that you can use to form your past tense in Igbo. It's something that many people don't even know about, but I coined it myself, and that's what I'm using to teach my students. Okay, now what's that? The RV. You know R as in rat, then V as in verb. RV. They are constants. In fact, for all Igbo verbs, they are our past tense marker. So first, let's start with the normal verb you know. Rie, nri. Rie, nri, that's it. Rie is it. So rie is spelled R-I-E. So how do I form the past tense of rie, nri? Now, like I told you, just follow me. First, you have R-I-E as rie. So what you do for you to form a past tense, for you to form past tense is this. Eliminate the last vowel. Eliminate the last vowel. That's cancel it. Have you done that? Okay. Then add R beside it. And then the V will be in parentheses. That V then means vowel. It means vowel. Okay. So so now we have, I guess what you have in your book is R-I, R, then V in brackets, right? So that V is vowel. So what I want you to do is repeat the first vowel in your verb. So what's the first vowel? Okay, it's I. So repeat it. Replace that V with the vowel there, because that V actually means vowel. So what's the first vowel in your verb? Still write it in that V. So what do you have now? Riri. That's R-I-R-I. That's Riri. Good. Then let's look at another verb. Ngo. Ngo as in drink. Ngo. Ngo, you can have ngo miri, that's drink water, just like I did. Or ngo manya, drink wine. It could be any wine, but please don't take alcoholic wine. It's not good for your health. Okay, so now ngo is spelled ng, o, o. Sorry if you don't understand, don't worry. Just look at the screen, you will see me write it there. Ng, o, o. Now the ng is the N with dot on it. Then o is U with dot on it. Then o is O with dot on. Under. But for N, the dot is on it. That's on the end. Then U and O, the dots will be under. That's the vowel anyway. So now let's still apply this rule. First, what do you do? Can you still remember? Yeah, eliminate the last vowel. So here we have O as our last vowel. Eliminate it. You will cancel it. Now write the RV. Always remember that to put your V in parentheses because it's a vowel, and we will always replace the V with a vowel. Now let's go. So what do you have now? You have N-U-R-V, the V in parentheses, right? Correct. So what's the first vowel we have there in the original verb we are trying to make a past tense? So what do you have it there? Yeah, that's you, right? So can you erase the V and put U, replace it with a U that has dots under? So what do you have? Ngoro, that's drank. Ngoro, that's drank. So I drank water. Ah, ngorom miri. Or some will say it like this. Ngoro miri. What did you learn today? Till I see you again. Use this to practice your past tense in Igbo. I remain Nwada Chiamaka, Nwada na-asụ Igbo, Nwada na-akụzi Igbo, Nwada na-agụ Igbo, Nwada na-edekwa Igbo. Ka emesịa. Bye.